before lockdown started, when our school had a field trip to government hospital which was near to our school, we saw majority of underprivileged patients admitted in the hospital, those who came from nearby villages, remote areas and towns. Being from poor family, they could not satisfy the basic need of food. Though medicinal support only could not uplift the patients, good quality food and nutritional meals were essential. We found them too weak due to lack of food. This picture in our mind impacted a lot that when we came to our school, we were not able to eat our food in the lunch break.
Me and my friends decided to find a solution on this problem. We discussed many solutions on it and finally we came to a conclusion that we will share our food with these poor people because we have been taught by our culture that joy of sharing is the greatest joy.
At first, we explained our program to Chief Medical Officer of Government Hospital, Dr. Shaileja Kuppaswamy. All doctors and staff of the hospital were very happy and gave permission to us. We made planning such that every student of our school should participate in this program. We made our planning on daily basis. Students of each grade will bring the tiffin from his or her home. For this, we also contacted with our parents and explained them our motive. Our parents were ready and very happy for the initiative we took. We have 600 students in our school, so according to our planning, daily 2 students brings the tiffin while coming to the school. After coming to school, one of the peon uncle from our school goes to hospital and distributes the food to poor people. This novel task will be continued by school kids passing from one batch to another. Juniors will follow seniors. It will be an unbreakable social chain which will sparkle and light the life in some way or the other.
We share our initiative with other schools so that they can also share their food with the old age houses, orphan houses, and with other poor peoples too. We also shared our idea with Innerville Club, which works on social issues. Even they also participated in our project.
So ma'am, what's your opinion on the social activity we have started?
वी इनरविल क्लब ऑफ येवला की तरफ से आज हमने विद्या इंटरनेशनल स्कूल को विज़िट किया और आप लोगों का जो एक्टिविटी जो टिफ़िन गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में जो टिफ़िन पहुंचाना चालू हुआ है वो एक्टिविटी हम सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा और आप सब और हम इनरविल क्लब मेंबर्स ये आपके जो एक्टिविटी से हम प्रोत्साहित हो गए हमने भी ऐसा डिसाइड किया है कि हम भी मेंबर्स गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में जो नीडी पेशेंट है उनको भी हम भी टिफिन प्रोवाइड करेंगे.
We also share our initiative on the social media platform of our school as well as with the parents and our friends. We all wish we could do more to support underprivileged serious patients facing challenges of food. The patients who were unsure of the next meal now slept with a sound mind. Give your hands to serve and your hearts to love.